Abismo. I am Benji R. Nathaniel G. Unyalan from Group 1, and this is my essay entitled Agricultural Applications of Lipids and Protein Metabolism. Lipids and protein metabolism are fundamental processes in living organisms, intricately linked and crucial for energy production, cell structure, and numerous psychological functions. These pathways are not isolated but rather interact and dynamically influence each other's regulation's efficiency. Lipid metabolism encompasses the breakdowns of synthesis of lipids, primarily triglycerides, fatty acids, and cholesterol. Liposis triggered by hormonal signals like glucagon and adrenaline. Releases fatty acids that are transported to cells for energy generation through beta oxidation. Protein metabolism involves the breakdown and synthesis of proteins. Protein catabolism initiated by proteases. Breakdown proteins into amino acids. These amino acids can be used for protein synthesis converted into glucose or oxidized for energy production. A crucial intersection between lipids and protein metabolism lies in the interplay of acetyl-CoA. Both pathways utilize and contribute to acetyl-CoA pool. Furthermore, certain amino acids can be converted into ketone bodies, alternative energy sources during periods of low glucose availability.